In a primetime news follow-up, efforts continue today to find a missing 9-year-old boy swept away by floodwaters in Augustown, St. Andrew on Wednesday. After 3 days, some residents are now fearing the worst. The boy's family members, however, are still hoping for a miracle. TVJ's Kirk Wright has the latest on the search.
Day 3 of the search for 9-year-old Kyle Richards, who was swept away by floodwaters in Augustown, St. Andrew, got underway urgently on Friday. And as residents, with help of the police, upped their effort, some are slowly losing hope of finding him.
Because today is day 3, you understand, and I think we need more help. The community alone can't do it.
George Planter, an elder at the Seventh-day Adventist Church in the community, was a part of the search team again today, combing the area which the water took Kyle.
We went to some areas that had debris and overgrown trees, areas that we thought maybe some evidence would be left caught in the grass, under the rubble, and we were digging up some areas, cutting away some areas, looking in the crevices and corners. We went all the way down to African Gardens, to the end of the gully where it empties into the Hope River.
Kingston's Mayor Delroy Williams, who visited Augustown on Thursday, said he would help to get heavy-duty equipment to help with the search, but he didn't give a timeline when that would happen. Stacey Kidd, Kyle's aunt, says that promise is not good enough.
This is why the nation children them suffer so much. Honestly, when it have to do with a kid, you respond quickly, no matter whatever it may be. Just respond quickly. Not many people know what the pain a mother go through when time she lose her kid. Every night me look at my son them across in my room. I can't sleep because I know my sister not sleep.
Today, the opposition leader, Dr. Peter Phillips, also went to the area to visit Kyle's mother and offered his support. He said he spoke with the head of the Jamaica Defense Force and senior officers of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, who promised technical help.
The police and the JDF are now going to come together. I spoke with some of the senior officers. They are going to come together to try their best to make one last effort to see if there's anywhere between here and the sea where the body may be found.
In the meantime, the child's mother, Kerrine Kidd, says until such time, she's holding on to the memories of her son to stay strong.
I'm always, when I do my night shift and come home, I always rub my foot for me. My foot normally swell up, so I normally rub my foot. And he normally lay with me as I bend the corner, he see me and he run come take my back from me.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.